In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular dropshipping platforms, Spocket and Zendrop. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your e-commerce business, choosing the right platform is crucial. We'll break down these two platforms' key features, pricing, and overall experience. That way, you can make the best decision for which one fits your business the best. The first one we'll start with is Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform known for its extensive selection of high-quality products sourced primarily from suppliers in the United States and Europe. This focus on local suppliers gives Spocket a significant edge when it comes to shipping times, which can be much faster compared to platforms that rely heavily on products from Asia. Fast shipping times are a major selling point for e-commerce businesses as they directly impact the customer, especially the customer's satisfaction, and even influence whether or not that customer comes back for repeat business. Spocket integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and even WordPress, making it easy to add products to your online store. This ease of integration allows you to quickly set up your store and start selling without having to worry about any complicated configurations. Spocket's user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that even those who are completely new to dropshipping or building an online store can navigate the platform with ease. One of the standout features of Spocket is its focus on high-quality branded products. Many of the products available on Spocket are premium items that are not easily found on other dropshipping platforms. This gives you the opportunity to offer unique, high-margin products to your customers, which can differentiate your store from the competition. Additionally, because many of Spocket's suppliers are based in the US and Europe, you can take advantage of faster shipping times, which can lead to happier customers and fewer returns. Now that we've given you a brief overview of Spocket, let's look at Zendrop. Zendrop, on the other hand, is a pretty solid option as well. Zendrop is a dropshipping platform that excels in automating the dropshipping process and offering a broad range of products, specifically those sourced from suppliers in China. While the shipping times may be longer than those offered by Spocket, Zendrop compensates this with a wide selection of products and robust automation features. Zendrop is designed to streamline every aspect of the dropshipping process, from product importing to order fulfillment, making it an attractive option for both new and experienced e-commerce store builders. One of Zendrop's key strengths is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be straightforward and super easy to use, which ultimately allows you to manage your dropshipping business with minimal effort. With Zendrop, you can import products directly into your store with just one click of a button. The platform automatically syncs important things like inventory levels, pricing, and it even ensures that your store is always up to date. This level of automation can save you significant amounts of time, allowing you to focus on marketing and actually growing your business. Zendrop also offers custom branding options, allowing you to add your logo and brand elements to the packaging of the products that you sell. This feature can help you build a strong brand identity and create a more personalized experience for your customers. Additionally, Zendrop provides automated order fulfillment, meaning that once a customer places an order for your online store, the order is automatically sent to the supplier, who then ultimately will fulfill it on your behalf. This hands-off approach of order management can significantly reduce the time and effort required to run a dropshipping business. Now that you have a good understanding of what Spocket and Zendrop really are, let's talk about product selection and the overall quality. The product selection is a critical factor when choosing a dropshipping platform. The products that you sell will ultimately define your brand, influence your pricing, and even your strategy. Plus, they'll also affect your overall profitability. When we look at Spocket, they have a pretty solid product selection. They're known for their curated selection of high quality products, which are sourced, of course, mainly, as we mentioned earlier, from US and Europe. This focus on local suppliers means that many of the products available on Spocket are unique, high margin items that are not commonly found on their dropshipping platforms. This allows you to differentiate your store by offering products that you normally won't see in any of your competitors, which can ultimately lead to higher prices, better margins, and of course, more sales. The quality of products on Spocket is generally higher than what you might find on other platforms, especially those that rely heavily from Asia. Many Spocket suppliers also offer branded products, which can be a significant advantage if you're looking to build a premium brand. Additionally, because the products are sourced locally, the shipping times are so much faster, often only taking just a few days to reach customers in the US or in Europe. This can lead to a higher customer satisfaction rate, fewer returns, and of course, better reviews for your store, which ultimately just continues the sales cycle more and more. Let's talk a little bit about Zendrop's product selection. Zendrop offers a much broader range of product, with most suppliers based in China. This means that while you have a vast selection of products to choose from, the quality can vary significantly depending on the supplier that you choose. Zendrop's extensive catalog includes just about everything, from electronics to fashion items to home goods and even accessories, making it easy to find products to fit your niche. One of the advantages of Zendrop's product selection is the ability to source products at a lower cost. Because the products are primarily produced in China, the pricing is often much more competitive than what you might find on Spocket. This allows you to offer lower prices to your customers and maintain higher profit margins. The only trade-off here is that shipping times could be a bit longer, which could affect customer satisfaction if you don't manage that properly. Let's talk shipping and delivery. Shipping and delivery reliability are crucial aspects of any e-commerce business, directly impacting customer satisfaction and even repeat purchases. Spocket's shipping delivery has some pretty good strengths, especially when it comes to fast shipping times. Because of their location in the United States and Europe, especially with their suppliers, shipping times can be as fast as 2 to 5 days within the US and Europe if you're shipping there. This is a significant advantage over Zendrop, given the fact that Zendrop suppliers are mostly based in China and Asia, which of course will just have much longer shipping times if you're shipping anywhere in the United States or Europe. When it comes to Zendrop, they primarily source most of their suppliers in China, which means that shipping times are typically longer than those offered by Spocket. On average, Zendrop shipping times can range from 7 to 15 days for standard shipping. With express shipping options, which are available at an additional cost, things can get a little bit faster. While these shipping times are relatively standard for products sourced from China, they may not meet the expectations of customers who are accustomed to faster delivery times. To combat the issue of longer order times, Zendrop offers branded tracking pages and order status pages, allowing you to keep your customers informed about the status of their orders. This can help reduce customer inquiries and improve overall satisfaction. Additionally, Zendrop express shipping options can reduce delivery times to around 5 to 10 days, which may be a worthwhile investment for higher margin products of time-sensitive proportions. Let's talk about the ease of use of these platforms. Both of these platforms seamlessly integrate with any of the e-commerce platforms that you can imagine. Shopify, WooCommerce, and WordPress all fully support these platforms. Really quick here though, just to show you how easy these platforms are to use, I'm going to show you guys how to get started with them. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is click the link down below for either Zendrop or Spocket. We'll go ahead and show you Spocket first. Once you guys click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. All you simply have to do now is hit the start for free button, which will ask you to grab your store today for only $1.99. Once we grab our store, we'll then pick the pricing plan we want to choose, enter either a debit card, a PayPal, enter our credit card number, and then enter a coupon code, and then grab our store. Once we're inside of Spocket, it's easy as clicking the Connect Store button to connect your store to whatever e-commerce platform that you're using. And of course, the same goes for Zendrop. Once you hit the link down below in the description for Zendrop, you'll be taken to this page here, which will get you a massive discount. As you can see, you're going to get a free trial when getting started with Zendrop, plus 50% off for your first month and $200 in order credits. You'll also get automatic fulfillment for hands-free deliveries, plus live weekly coaching with expert help. We simply enter in our email address, name on our credit card details, and hit the sign up now button. Once you guys are inside of Zendrop, it'll take you to this page here. As you can see, it's super easy to get started with. All we have to do is head on over to click the Connect My Store button, and inside of here, we can either choose I already have a store to connect, claim my free custom built store, or I'd like to build my own store. We hit the continue button, or we could choose a different platform, and then we can get started with connecting our store. It's literally that easy. Both of these platforms are super solid options, but the question still remains, which one is right for you? If you're somebody who likes to have the high quality effort and have access to products that otherwise you wouldn't really have access to in some of these other Asia-based suppliers, I would definitely recommend checking out Spocket. If you're somebody who's not really concerned with the quality of your products and more so the availability and the amount of options that you have, Zendrop is probably going to be the way to go. Both of these, of course, are solid options, and definitely check out the links down in the description to get started with them. Also, remember that these links go directly towards supporting the channel, so thank you in advance for supporting us, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below what type of dropshipping store you're going to start with these platforms, and also let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in a future one. Take it easy.